Okay, so today we're going to set up our Gitcoin account. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and click sign in. From here, to access a Gitcoin account, you have to have a Github account. So we're going to go through the steps to make one together. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in and you can skip the following steps. So let's go ahead and create our account. So the first thing we want to do is create a username. We want to then add in our password, our email, then put in our password. I'm going to uncheck this because this is just a test. I'm going to go back and delete all of these accounts. When I'm done, I'm going to show the computer that I am not a robot and go ahead and create the account. I will get an email from GitHub that will go over and have the launch code here. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that from my email. And now I have to authorize to allow Gitcoin to connect here. So now I'm being redirected. All is good. I should have an account created once I'm done. And I see it. We are now logged in as MetaGiving. So if I want to go through this Gitcoin account and explore some grants to give, I get this message that pops up that I want to maximize the amount of money that I'm donating. And the way to do this is to create a passport. And to do that, you have to connect your crypto wallet. So let's go ahead and get started with that. I'm going to submit my passport or click that submit passport button, but I don't see MetaMask, and that's the wallet that I want to use. So I'm going to walk you through the steps of creating your MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and go to MetaMask here. Click on the website. I'm going to go ahead and download for Chrome. That's going to take me to the Chrome store so I can download the extension. I'm going to go ahead and add this to Chrome and follow the steps. So it's going to take a second to load, but now that it's there, I can manage my shortcuts and make sure that it pops up by pinning it here. So that way I can always see it. Now I'm going to go through the steps of creating a MetaMask wallet. So there are a couple of things to make sure you're staying safe with your own crypto wallet. We have a lot of details about that in our Notion doc of how to create a MetaMask wallet. I will link the details to that below, but I'll quickly go over a few things. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and create a new wallet. Create a password for this. And go ahead and check this box and get to the next step. So this step is very important if this is your first time creating a wallet. You want to make sure you take the time to watch this video and go through and read the additional text. But from a high level, they're telling you you're going to receive a seed phrase, and that seed phrase is a list of words that you want to keep safe, because if anyone accesses this seed phrase, then they have access to everything in your wallet, and that's how people get hacked in this space. So keep this safe. So again, because this is a test wallet, I'm going to show this seed phrase. After I'm done recording this video, this wallet will be deleted. Do not share your seed phrase. You want to keep that safe. Make sure it's locked away in a password manager like 1Password or things like that. So I'm going to make sure that I copy this for the next step. So it wants me to confirm that I make sure that I have the correct seed phrase before moving forward. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through the steps of tapping the right words in the right order to make sure that I let the MetaMask know that I have my seed phrase and all is well. Okay, so got that in, it's all good to go. So again, it's giving you more tips on how to keep that safe. And we're all done. So we officially have a wallet, and this is your wallet address. the Notion doc has more information about what's going on here, but let's go ahead and get back into our Gitcoin setup. So we want to connect to that MetaMask wallet, but we're not seeing it here. So let's go ahead and refresh the page. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and submit my passport. I see MetaMask, so I'm going to click on that and grab this over here and connect. And now my wallets are connecting. So I want to go ahead and go to the Gitcoin Passport. And from here, what I want to do is connect this wallet. I'm going to go ahead and sign this. And each time you go and you sign with your wallet, what you're doing is saying that it's okay for your wallet to be connected to this website. And this gives us more say in what we connect to and when we connect to it. So Gitcoin wants to make sure that they prevent fraud. One of the ways that they could do this is to have people connect their wallets with other platforms to prove you are who you say you are. So one of the quick and easy ways that I can show you how to do this is to connect to Twitter. So with Twitter, I'm going to go ahead and check off these items as I verify the Twitter. It's going to pop up and ask you to authorize and log in as your Twitter account. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and connect your Twitter account to your wallet. And so that way Passport knows like, okay, this wallet is connected to this Twitter account. So I'm going to go ahead and sign that because that's what I want to happen. It's going to take some time to verify that information. And once it's done, it's going to say verified, and I see here. So if I go back to this website, to the Gitcoin website, I see that my matching score is 50%. So if I make a contribution to a grant, the match will be 50%. If I go ahead and continue to connect to different items on the passport, this will grow, so my impact will be bigger. So you want to try to get this to the full 115% so you can have a bigger impact for the projects that you care about. So let's go ahead and resubmit our passport because that's how we get it to update and see like what our wallet is connected to. So I am doing that. It's going to do the scoring in the background. And while that's done, look at this. With just connecting that one account, I get my score from 50% to 150. So that way, the donations and contributions that I make to the grants that I'm excited about will have more money to do more good. So that is that on getting set up with our Gitcoin accounts. Again,